Submarine sent to find source of mystery sonar noise off US coast. A submarine has been launched to search for the source of a mysterious sonar sound off the United States coast. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Agency, NOAA, sent its submersible, Deep Discoverer, to the depths to investigate the anomaly. It was first heard as researchers were leading a mapping campaign off the southeast coast this month. Sonar works by shooting waves of sound outwards and reading the waves that come back after they bounce off objects. The NOAA sent a submersible to investigate the mysterious noise forgotten shipwrecks of the Atlantic. These are the forgotten shipwrecks of the Atlantic Ocean dating back to the First World War. The liners were sunk by torpedoes and mines and now lie on the sea, just off the Irish coast. Among the wrecks are merchant vessels, submarines and ocean liners, with HMS Audacious being the oldest ruin. Thinking the bizarre noise could potentially be an undiscovered shipwreck, the team sent the small unmanned sub to search. But instead of finding hordes of sunken gold coins aboard an ancient ship, they found a massive rock formation that was teeming with various species of marine life. In April, the NOAA sent submersibles down to examine a number of shipwrecks off the Gulf of Mexico. Incredible underwater cities. The idea that an entire city could just vanish beneath the waves is a terrifying thought. And while these lost underwater cities aren't the mythical Atlantis, that's exactly what happened to them.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.